How does equitable distribution ensure financial security? Imagine ending a marriage with peace of mind, knowing your financial future is protected. That's what equitable distribution aims to do. It's a legal way courts divide property and debts during divorce, focusing on fairness rather than just splitting everything down the middle. This approach considers each spouse's situation, like income, health, and contributions, to make sure neither is left at a disadvantage. Marital property includes assets and debts acquired during the marriage, no matter whose name is on the title. Things like the family home, cars, savings accounts, and credit card debts are all part of this. Separate property, such as assets owned before marriage or received as gifts or inheritance, usually stays with the original owner. Only the marital property gets divided. When courts use equitable distribution, they look at many factors. For example, if one spouse stayed home to raise children, they might get a larger share of the assets to compensate for lost earning potential. If one spouse has a health issue or limited skills, they might be awarded the family home or cash to ensure stable housing. Retirement accounts accumulated during the marriage are also divided, often through a special court order called a qualified domestic relations order, so both can plan for their futures. Debts are divided similarly. If one spouse has more debt, like a mortgage or credit card balances, the court might assign a larger share to the person with higher earning potential. This helps prevent one spouse from being overwhelmed by financial obligations they cannot manage alone. In real life, equitable distribution can mean a stay-at-home parent gets a bigger piece of the assets to make up for not earning an income. A spouse with health problems might receive more liquid assets or the family home to ensure they have a place to live. Retirement savings are split fairly, so both have resources after the divorce. Debts are assigned based on who can pay them, not just whose name is on the account. This process encourages couples to negotiate and settle outside court, saving time and money. When disagreements happen, the court steps in to make a fair decision based on all the factors. While the system does not guarantee equal shares, it aims to prevent either spouse from facing financial hardship after divorce. By considering each person's circumstances, equitable distribution helps both partners move forward with stability. It recognizes that contributions to the marriage go beyond just money, including caring for children or supporting careers. This way, both individuals can rebuild their lives with a fair share of assets and manageable debts, giving them a stronger foundation for the future.